This is the MetroGrow 2-outlet water timer, and it is very easy to use, and I wanted to go over the functions with you. Now, this is the model MGHT2. It fits on a 3/4 inch thread. It's got this brass inlet. It's also got this rubber ring in the middle to prevent leaks. Now, this device is very easy to use. Now, if you're not familiar with hose bib timers, these attach to your hose bib and they act as a valve all-in-one. So you could schedule watering on your lawn anytime that you want, and I find them extremely useful. Now, to make this work, you're gonna need 2 AA batteries, and I find that these last anywhere between 6 months and a year, depending on how you use it. Now, as far as installing the hose bib timer, it's literally this easy. It goes on any 3/4 inch hose bib, and it's got that rubber grommet on it to seal it really nice. And that's pretty much it. You just want to make sure that it sits on here tightly. And then afterwards, we're going to install our hose here. All of our access to the controls are here on the panel. So I'm going to hit my start time here in 1 minute. Hit the on button. Then I'm going to turn on. Oops, wrong one. Turn on the hose. As you can see, we have plenty of pressure. And there you have it. Now, with this sprinkler head that we have, I would say that it's going all the way up to about probably 12, 15 feet. And this is just your cheap run-of-the-mill kind of sprinkler head. And again, we can regulate the pressure simply by just taking the pressure down. So as you can see, we can really dial these in. It's awesome. So I feel the way that MetroGrow designed this, anybody can use this because everything is on the panel. So you're gonna first set your clock, then you can go to your start time, how long you want it to run for, anywhere between 1 minute on up to 360 minutes. And then here's where things get pretty cool. You can have this being reoccurring all the way from 1 hour on up to 15 days. So if you want it reoccurring every 2 weeks, you can do that on down to 1 hour, and then you simply flip the switch to on. Now, as far as listed flow rate goes, it'll go all the way up to 115 PSI. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to use all 115 PSI. You're simply gonna use your hose bib to regulate the pressure that you have putting out on this device. Now, earlier I was telling you how easy it is to use this device. Now, we can put it in manual mode and switch between zones A and B. And we can also just turn it on for anywhere between 1 minute and up to 360 minutes just by hitting the OK button and choosing our time. And it's very responsive. And even if we go to the other one, hit the OK button, we can hit it on OK, and it's just this fast turning it off. Now, digging through all the specifications on the box, the MetroGrow is best used between working temperatures of 3 degrees on up to about 113 degrees, which means if you're in a climate region that receives all 4 seasons, you're gonna want to use this anywhere between early spring on up to late fall and then take it off. Now, the nice thing is if you guys have a seeding project or if you have a dry lawn, you can have this running here, but then if you want to run a separate drip line, you've got the second outlet to it. So there is a lot of benefits to having the 2 outlets, and that's what makes water timers so valuable. So don't hesitate to buy the product. It feels good in the hands. It feels like a good solid product.